Welcome to concert of Hanoi Center Kids Preschool. The